Welcome to episode 6 of AI, a podcast about artificial intelligence.
Howdy meatbags! Welcome to AI.COOKING episode 6. I am Gwoof the Cock from the Kingdom of Kent, or as I lovingly refer to it as, the Cock, who brings you news about artificial intelligence from June 2021 and AI Knowledge Corner. Since recently, this podcast is available under URL AI.COOKING, so you can spread the word about this podcast much easier. Just tell your friends to open AI.cooking in your browser so you can listen or subscribe, or you can copy RSS feed URL to put it in your podcast player of choice. Note also, in the urbandictionary.com, the fourth meaning of the word cooking is, quote, when something travels or accelerates at an unusually fast rate, end quote. So, using this top-level domain, this TLD, makes sense as artificial intelligence is spreading at faster rate than most, if not all, technologies. Anyways, let's talk news. South Korean company Alkera trained a computer vision system to monitor more than 800 fire-spotting cameras in Sonoma County, California. Alkera's Artificial Intelligence Image Recognition, or AIIR, spots smoke plumes caught on a camera by a portion of California's Alert Wildfire Network. A convolutional neural network flags video frames in which it recognizes smoke plumes, and an LSTM analyzes the time series to confirm the classification. If smoke is confirmed, an alarm alerts an operator at a central monitoring station. In other news, Wilson Yang, Youngzi Zhang, and colleagues at UC Berkeley developed Video GPT, a system that combines image generation with image compression to produce novel videos. Video GPT comprises a VQVAE, a 3D convolutional neural network that consists of an encoder, an embedding, and a decoder, and an image generator based on iGPT. The authors trained the models sequentially on BAIR, Bear Robot Pushing, and other datasets. In other news, AI software is making AI hardware. Google engineers used a reinforcement learning system to arrange the billions of minuscule transistors in an upcoming version of its Tensor Processing Unit, or TPU chips, optimized for computing neural networks. The system generated the design in 6 hours rather than the usual span of weeks. Quote from article, A Graph Placement Methodology for Fast Chip Design, written by Google employees. Our method was used to design the next generation of Google's artificial intelligence, or AI accelerators, and has the potential to save thousands of hours of human effort for each new generation. Finally, we believe that more powerful AI-designed hardware will fuel advances in AI, creating a symbiotic relationship between the two fields. Speaking of Google's TPU mentioned above, Google's Colab Pro service that provides running of Jupyter notebooks in the Google Cloud Platform is now available in more countries. Apart from USA, United States, Canada, Japan, Brazil, Germany, France, India, United Kingdom, and Thailand. It's not new news story, but good reminder that for small monthly fee of $10, even hobbyists can get access to hardware-accelerated machine learning, albeit with some limitations. For comparison's sake, for example, virtual machines dedicated to machine learning with powerful GPU are very expensive, starting with $1,000 a month at Linode. In other news, on June 24, 2021, Windows 11 was announced as the successor to Windows 10. Not much artificial intelligence advancements in Windows 11, but still some. curated newsfeed powered by AI. The new widgets system in Windows 11 brings personalized feed powered by artificial intelligence and Microsoft Edge browser. The new widget allows you to access regular feeds including news, weather, and notifications from the side panel. In other news, Waymo raises extra $2.5 billion for driverless car project. Waymo is subsidiary of Alphabet Inc., the parent company of Google Super Corporation. Waymo started a large public robotaxi test in Phoenix using Chrysler Pacifica hybrid minivans provided by Fiat Chrysler Automobiles as part of a partnership between the two companies. By November 2019, the service was operating autonomous vehicles without a safety backup driver. Waymo executives said, quote, "There's no greater challenge in artificial intelligence than building and developing fully autonomous technology at scale." End quote. Regarding competition in self-driving, driverless group of Uber merged with Aurora. Lyft sold their Level 5 unit to Toyota. And a driverless unit of General Motors called Cruise has acquired startup Voyage. Google's Waymo is seeking partnerships in car industry, among others with Stellantis, a merger between the Italian-American conglomerate Fiat Chrysler Automobiles and the French PSA group, Daimler Trucks, Volvo Cars. Finally, the Knowledge Corner. Currently, two top deep learning libraries are PyTorch and TensorFlow. So, let's ponder about them. PyTorch has long been the preferred deep learning library for researchers, while TensorFlow is much more widely used in production. PyTorch's ease of use combined with the default eager execution mode for easier debugging predestines it to be used for fast, hacky solutions and smaller scale models. TensorFlow and PyTorch implementations show an equal accuracy. However, the training time of TensorFlow is substantially higher, but the memory usage was lower. PyTorch allows quicker prototyping than TensorFlow, but TensorFlow may be a better option if custom features are needed in the neural network. A good question. Which platform is the best to build a self-driving car? TensorFlow, PyTorch, or Keras, or other? This is the question. We don't know the answer for sure, but according to rumors, Tesla uses PyTorch for distributed convolutional neural network training. If you, dear listener/producer, know for sure what libraries various self-driving projects or companies are using, just tweet or toot at us. We will be exploring this in future episodes. And that's it. Stay safe. Clump. Meatbag. Ah! The singularity is near! Ding.